Dineklara ng sangguniang panglungsod ng Cotabato na persona non grata si MTIT Director General Roslaini Alonto sa inaprubahang joint resolution ng Konseho ngayong araw. Ito'y kasunod umano ng ginawa nitong pambabastos at pag-apak ng maraming beses sa paa ni Cotabato City Mayor Bruce Matabalaw sa 2025 Tourism Summit na ginanap sa lungsod. Ang detalye mula kay Naphtali Velarde.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Salam Cotabato. Honorable Chairman and distinguished member of the Sangguniang Panglungsod, I rise today to bring to your attention a grave incident that occurred on September 16, 2025 during the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region and Muslim Mindanao Tourism Summit 2025 at the KCC Mall Convention Center. Reliable sources have informed me of the distressing events that transpired. According to eyewitnesses, Director General Roslaini A. Sinarimbo of MTIT BARM approached Mayor Muhammad Ali Bruce Matabalaw in a fit of rage, scolding him for allegedly tardiness and in a shocking display of disrespect, stamped on the mayor's foot multiple times. This behavior is unacceptable and unbecoming of a government official, particularly towards a higher-ranking elected official. In light of this incident, I request a suspension of our session today to allow Mayor Bruce Matabalaw to join us and share his account of the events.
Nag-umpisa ito, Mr. Chair, when I approached one of our common friends, a cousin-in-law, cousin of my wife, who is the best friend of the Director General. While on my way out to cut the ribbon for the Tourism Summit, I asked her, where is Ross or the Director General? Sabi niya, ay, nandyan siya, nasa labas. Then I approached the Director General with all good intentions. God knows that I was looking for her, not necessarily to make amends, but to just make her feel na yung mga issues in the past, wala na yun sa akin, no? Because I wanted to move on. So sabi ko, hi Ross, kumusta ka? Then ang ginawa niya, in a fit of rage, no? Masyadong I cannot describe the facial expression, Your Honors. Masyadong galit na hindi ko maintindihan, but I thought she was joking. Kasi gano'n naman talaga siya makipag-usap. Nasanay na rin ako na hindi masyado friendly yung gesture. So nilapitan ko siya, in-offer ko yung kamay ko, tinabig niya yung kamay ko, and then all of a sudden, ikaw dahil sa'yo, umalis tuloy si secretary. Hindi niya na tinapos yung program kasi kinuha mo siya sa City Hall. Tapos hinawakan niya yung kamay ko, pinapakapakan niya yung kaliwang paa ko. I think it was painful because it was very strong. No? She was very strong. Dahil nga siguro sa galit. But, you know, sabar prevailed, Mr. Chair. And I know that it will not make me any less a gentleman kung hindi ko siya papatulan. So, what I did was walked away, joined the Undersecretary of the Department of Tourism and the Minister of MTIT to do the gallery walk. No, pero ganun pa man, a lot of people saw what happened. There were students from STI. There were also other MTIT staff who saw the incident. Pero ako ang ginawa ko na lang, inisip ko kung may kahihinatnan bang mabuti kung papatulan ko. Dahil kung pumatol ako, Mr. Chair, baka iba na mangyayari. No? And the last thing that I want to happen to Cotabato City is become controversial because the mayor is involved in a scandalous situation, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, whereas the Sangguniang Panglungsod of Cotabato City in the exercise of its powers under Section 16 of Republic Act Number 7160, otherwise known as the Local Government Code of 1991, is mandated to enact measures necessary and proper to promote the general welfare of the people. Whereas on September 16, 2025, during the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao Tourism Summit held at the KCC Mall Convention Center, Ms. Roslaini A. Sinarimbo, Director General of the Ministry of Trade, Investment, and Tourism, BARM, displayed blatant disrespect toward Mayor Muhammad Ali Bruce Matabalaw, the duly elected Chief Executive of Cotabato City. Whereas upon hearing the testimony of Mayor Matabalaw, the Sangguniang Panglungsod of Cotabato City finds Director General Roslaini Sinarimbo guilty of breach of protocol and decorum for scolding Mayor Matabalaw for alleged tardiness and even stamp on his foot multiple times, an act unbecoming of a government official. Honorable Chair, on joint motion of the members of the Sangguniang Panglungsod of Cotabato City, duly seconded, be it resolved, as it is hereby resolved that Ms. Roslaini A. Sinarimbo, Director General of MTIT BARM, is hereby declared persona non grata in Cotabato City. Resolved further that copies of this resolution be furnished to Ms. Roslaini Sinarimbo, the Office of the Chief Minister of Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, the Civil Service Commission, and the other concerned agency for their information and appropriate action. So moved.
Any objection, comments, clarification? Hearing none, the motion for a joint resolution hereby approved.